Welcome back, Bulldogs. We are going to look at inserting a link into your announcements, your assignments, into your modules, into pages. So in your edit mode, you are going to be able to click over here on this links tab. In the link, you're going to click external link. You can type in whatever the title of your link is, and then you're going to be able to paste in a link. I chose Khan Academy. And then you're going to be able to, wherever your cursor was placed, the link will pop in. It will be a hyperlink that will take you out to the website that you are trying to link in. Go ahead, give it a try after this video and try it in your own account, and then log on to the next video so you can learn some more great things about how to use Canvas. Thanks, everyone.